Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this tutorial, we're gonna show you how to fix slow Google Sheets with simple optimization tips. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. If your sheet is lagging, freezing, or just plainly slow, don't worry, there are a few easy things you can do to speed it up. First, check for too many formulas, especially things like array formula, VLOOKUP or import range, repeated over thousands of rows. Try to reduce them or replace them with values if they don't need to update constantly. Next, look for unused rows and columns. Google Sheets treats those like part of your file. If you've got thousands of empty rows after your data, delete them. Just scroll down, select the extras, right-click and hit delete rows. Another common issue is conditional formatting. Too many rules slow things down. Go to Format, Conditional Formatting and delete any rules that aren't essential. Also, avoid using import range or query across multiple tabs if the data does not change often. Instead, copy-paste values when possible to lighten the load. Lastly, check your extensions. Some add-ons can slow performance. Go to Extensions, Manage Add-ons and disable anything you don't use. Optimize these things and your sheet should feel much snappier. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.